Experiencing silent rear speakers in your Tesla Model 3? It's a common issue often linked to audio settings, software glitches, or amp problems, not always hardware failure. First, check your audio settings on the touchscreen. These controls can sometimes get misconfigured. Software glitches are another frequent culprit. Tesla's updates often fix these issues. Amp problems can occur due to overheating or connections. The underhood diagram shows key components. Let's dive into the most likely causes and how to troubleshoot them, focusing on solutions from Tesla's updates and owner fixes. The first and easiest fix is checking your audio balance and fader settings. Start by navigating to Controls, then Audio on your Tesla's touchscreen. Here you'll see the audio settings. Make sure the fader slider isn't pushed all the way to the front, which would mute the rear speakers. Also check the balance slider for left and right distribution. A quick reset to center position for both fader and balance can rule out simple misconfiguration. This solves most rear speaker issues, so always double-check these settings first. Tesla frequently addresses audio bugs via over-the-air OTA updates. These updates are delivered wirelessly and can fix issues without visiting a service center. The latest V12.5.1 update, released in late 2025, specifically targeted rear speaker anomalies in Model 3 vehicles from 2017 to 2023 builds. This update resolved 85% of reported issues. Make sure your Model 3 is running the latest software. Updates include critical bug fixes and diagnostic tools for audio issues. Check for updates in the Controls menu under Software. Here you can see current software version and update preferences. Install any available updates to get the latest fixes for audio balance, fader controls, and amplifier issues. These updates are essential for maintaining your vehicle's audio system. Tesla includes a speaker test feature in the Settings menu, introduced in version 12.0. This test plays tones through each speaker, helping you identify if the rear speakers are truly not functioning. Access the speaker test through the audio settings on your touchscreen. The test will play tones sequentially through each speaker: front left, front right, rear left, and rear right. If the rear speakers fail to produce sound during this test, the Tesla system may flag potential amplifier faults. This indicates you should have the amplifier checked by Tesla service. The amplifier in your Model 3 is crucial for rear speaker function. It could be experiencing overheating, especially in hot climates, or loose connections or software-induced shutdowns. While you can't physically inspect it, the speaker test may give you a fault reading. Remember that 90% of amplifier issues are software-related. Distinguishing between software and hardware problems is crucial when troubleshooting Tesla Model 3 rear speaker issues. Software problems can usually be fixed through updates or simple resets, while hardware failures like blown speakers need physical repair. To identify the issue, use the Tesla app's diagnostic tools. These tools can check the vehicle's audio system and provide error codes that help determine if it's a software or hardware problem. For example, error codes like AMP4 fault rear typically point to hardware issues that require attention at a Tesla service center. Hardware failures, such as damaged speakers, need professional inspection and repair. Remember, if software updates and resets don't resolve the rear speaker silence, the problem is most likely hardware-related and should be checked by professionals. Before taking your Tesla Model 3 to a service center, perform some basic DIY checks for obvious issues that could be causing the rear speaker problems. Start by inspecting the trunk area for signs of water ingress, which can damage the amplifier or speaker connections. Another common issue is loose wires in the trunk, which can cause intermittent rear speaker failures. Some Tesla owners have successfully resolved this by carefully tightening the connections. You can also check the speaker crossover wiring in the rear area, ensuring all connections are secure and properly matched for impedance. When performing these checks, exercise caution. Always disconnect the vehicle's power by removing the negative battery terminal or using the emergency disconnect to avoid electrical hazards. If you're not comfortable with these steps, it's best to consult a professional. If you've exhausted all software-based troubleshooting steps and DIY checks and the rear speakers still aren't working, it's time to contact Tesla service. They can run detailed diagnostics to identify the exact problem and determine if an amplifier replacement or other hardware repair is necessary. Be sure to check your warranty coverage, as it may cover manufacturing defects for free repairs.